Here's another video. I am the ambassador and I am spoiling you.
WELSH!
Hello, neu fel rydyn ni'n dweud yng Nghymru, we've come a long way since the Prime Minister's exploding cake. Or have we? There are so many ways to travel these days, by blimp, hot air balloon, by palanquin, and of course the discerning gentleman will always travel by piggyback. However, for the true taste of white-knuckle adventure, you absolutely must travel by hitchhiking. Do not go hitchhiking, it will end badly. People who drive cars are strange, twisted people. If you must see the world, that's what the internet is for. So hitchhiking, you do a bit of hiking, then you hitch for a little while. Simple. However, in Welsh we have trafaelu. So fawd is fate and heglu is skedaddle or scoot. Now there is no way I would go hitchhiking. However, Greek titans couldn't stop me from going fate skedaddling. Trafaelu, fate skedaddlers. Now these brave medieval Welsh knights traversed the lands, righting wrongs, slaying dragons, stealing from the rich, giving to the poor, and just generally hitching lifts off shady, suspicious individuals. Now when you get a word as beautiful as trafaelu, it just makes you want to lie about history. However, sometimes the truth can break your heart. No one I spoke to knew this word. It is in the dictionary, but no one knows it. The word that gets used apparently is bodio. This comes from the word bawd, thumb. So bodio is thumbing. Now, I don't want to see medieval knights thumbing their way around the country. That sounds like an overly niche, unsatisfying, erotic adventure. King Arthur never thumbed anyone, anyway. I'm sick of this, and I'm going to go and I'm going to reclaim the word trafaelu right now.
WELSH!
For bookings, inquiries and invites to come fate skedaddling, go to adamgilder87@gmail.com. For more Welsh language goodness, go to the Hub TV channel, and for this video, here's my thumb.